Today is Sunday the 24th, and Kowalski is here with someone else, and I don't know what they are looking. So I'm gonna tell him that this intimidation thing is just has to stop. Hello, who is there? Who is there?
Go away, okay? I'm looking at my truck.
Listen, this intimidation has to stop, yes?
Excuse me?
The intimidation has to stop. You understand that?
Armando,
Shut up.
There's an order of protection. Go away.
I'm in my place. Listen, don't intimidate me anymore or you'll be in trouble.
Come out here. I'm looking at the truck.
Okay, get out when you're done. I need a receipt of all what I have given to you.
Find the title to my truck.
I need a receipt. I won't give you any more things until I get a written receipt of all what you have taken.
You don't need a receipt.
Yes!
You got an order from a judge.
I need a fucking receipt.
All right, goodbye.
Then goodbye. Don't come here anymore.
Don't come near me.